Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're just gonna be playing some regular grill tag again. Pretty sure for I'm pretty sure we're just gonna be playing regular infection. I am basically what's happening here is every time I get on grill tag I'm gonna be recording, so I will be uploading frequently, not just like once, like every 3 days, like most YouTubers. So yeah, this is Tree Monkey 2. Basically, just gonna get into the entire time. What the heck just happened?
I hacked you. Yeah, he's. Oh wait, no, he doesn't have hacked. I think it's just you. He's yelling.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, I need to go put my. Okay, one of you guys are it. I bet John's gonna be it. Oh. That's fun. Run! Why is there someone up there? Why is he being mean?
Okay.
I'm going to the tree house. I'm following you.
I'm gonna go to the.
Whoever's lava, have your treehouse party. We're not going to the treehouse. There's definitely no monkeys in the treehouse. Stop looking at us. There's no monkeys in the treehouse. This is wow. This is fake. It's coming. Ah. Oh god. Look at me. I'm missing a monkey. Oh, that guy's so fast. I jumped up from behind you. Oh, I didn't see you. Now let's go walk around. My god,
I got played.
Is that good?
Go to picnic table, see what I do with my
family. You can't escape Tree Monkey.
I'm really bad at climbing.
Can you do this? Well, do you want to do a private lobby and I'll teach you how to get climb?
No. But I am. God, jump up from above. Oh god, he's angry. Someone good at jumping. I mean, I'm good at walking here.
Oh.
Like an elevator climb. No, John. Oh, John! Crap,
it's John!
John!
No, you don't. You don't gotta get me. I'm good.
Oh, I got it!
Go! Speed! Speed up! Use
Monkey help
power
required.
Speed. Gotta flick your wrist. He's gonna fall down eventually. There he goes.
I didn't fall.
Yeah.
Yeah, he put.
Nah. High five. Good job, honey.
I didn't do anything, but okay.
Hey, who's that? I think Black might be it. Let me adjust myself in my room. There we go. Perfectly adjusted.
Oh, jeez, that's not.
Oh, so fast. Someone just doing.
Okay.
I don't know. Who's Lava Monkey? I don't know.
I need to change my
What the heck? Okay, I don't think I have time to make that one jump. I gotta skedaddle. Goodbye. Oh boy, I gotta skedaddle.
You can't beat this.
Hey, there's a guy over there.
Things are good.
Trash.
If you keep on following me, I'm gonna hospital you. Ow.
Goodbye.
Big bad people. Let's pick.
Why can't I move? Why are you trying to tag me? Crap.
Got you, finally.
You wouldn't have if I made the branch Jeez. Tree monkey. Damn, that was sad.
Look, I'm really sorry for tagging you, White, but do you want to join my server?
What are you talking about? What server?
Do you want to join my server on the computer?
Also, don't apologize for playing the game, dude.
But we can play tag in a private server with only like your friends.
I don't have any friends.
Can I be one?
I'm good. I'm recording right now, actually, if you want to say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
What's my hand backward?
Frick, monkey. What the? He has tag lag, dude. He has tag lag.
Me?
Yes, I'm touching you right now.
Jeez, everyone's crowding around me.
Oh, you got tag lag.
He has tag lag.
I literally,
This
I touched you.
first time on in like a week. This is what you guys are.
Yes. Dude, this is like
Nice.
my first, this is like my third time on in like a month.
Yeah, see,
I'm super bad at this game, so I can't escape.
No, you not.
Oh, crap,
Finally.
lava monkey.
I did.
You're it.
I'm just good at juking.
Maybe not.
Wait, there's still a monkey left? Come on, dude.
Oh
Where
my
could
god.
he
Hello.
pop?
Does anybody want to join my server?
Hello.
Let's go to the computer.
What are we gonna do?
Well, we're gonna play mini games.
Mini.
Mini games. Anyone you?
Okay. Guess this video isn't infection anymore. But that's fine by
Let's
me.
leave it at infection. Wait, White, can you talk?
Yeah. Hi.
I'm talking to him.
Fish.
Okay,
VR.
so
join?
Yeah, you can join.
What's the code?
I don't
my
know.
code is 112 and press S D.
Wait, so the code's 112?
No, it's 12 S D F G H J K L.
Wait,
Vague?
1, 2.
12 SDSJ. I mean,
No, it's S D F G.
What code? What is the code? What is the code?
What is the code?
So you just go from S.
Why is
and
it
then
so
you can just spam it
complicated?
all the way to L.
What
Just
is
press
the
S,
code?
then go. I'm telling you. Just press 1, 2. Press S, then press D, press F, all the way to L.
What's the code for?
Mini games.
Do we put an L?
What?
What's the code?
What code?
But you have a golden rose.
Oh, you have golden rose. Golden rose has now been invented.
What is going on? This is the wrong room code. Guess we're not. Code. No, whatever. Hello.
Peanut butter. Where's banana? Did banana get tagged?
No, I'm still lit. No, I'm not tagged. Now I am.
Oh, yeah, he did.
Sorry,
Now
just
I
had to.
got tagged. Oh, he did?
That one down there. Yeah.
Dude, I was breaking the lava monkey. Oh god, we gotta run.
What do you mean?
No, he's not my challenge.
Hey guys, I'm recording on YouTube right now.
He
Do
might.
you guys want to say anything?
Yeah, he's coming after
Yeah, I just got tagged, but I was breaking the. I'm on.
They're coming. They're coming.
You did not break my ankles.
Go. Oh, no. There's a monkey right there.
Oh, no, don't go that way. Don't go that way.
That's what I just
Yeah, I'm just gonna climb up here. I'm just gonna go. Get the freak out.
Get over here.
No, Banana, you get a free pass. You get a free pass.
Free pass?
Yeah.
Oh.
Watch out! He's coming!
No! Got him, you're bad.
Oh my gosh. You just can't handle the neutron style.
It's Blue Monkey! Get you!
You just can't handle the neutron style.
Never.
Press on me to claim your free Roblox prize.
What's happening?
Dude, who's doing that?
Oh, goddamn. Yeah,
Ow!
Never mind, Blue.
I just hit the wire on my phone.
Never mind, Blue.
I mean, not my
Yellow
phone.
run. Never mind.
Oh jeez.
You guys have all run?
Yes. I can wall run. I focus on branching a lot too, but
This video is all about branching right now.
one day I just wanted to learn, so I started focusing on it, and I'm now focusing on branching. Oh, go for someone else. Dude. This is the only monkey I can see.
Yo, pink monkey. I'm the yellow monkey up here with the banana. Escape you. Yo, what's up, banana?
Like a wall.
See, I cannot.
Wait, what the?
I'm Bob the Builder.
What the heck?
The bill.
You keys.
Oh jeez.
They chose me to be it. Now you shall.
No. Monkey.
Big monkey, you get tagged.
Yes,
So, when the lava monkey left, it chose me to be it, and there was 4 gorillas in front of me, and I was like, oh, that's it. They're done. I tagged 2, and then the other ones ran, but I still tagged them. Oh my god, I'm tired.
Uh-oh.
The one with the pot is
Stinky.
good chase.
Yellow chaser. Not the banana yellow. He's not a...
With the hat on.
He's still chasing me.
Yeah, yellow with the hat on.
No.
Run, banana.
Learn this from the best.
Alright, I'm gonna
Fell over.
Here we go.
Oh, what the when did you get there?
Bye-bye.
He followed me.
No, behind you.
My fellow friend.
That's what you get for tagging me that time ago.
Buddy? Hey, buddy, I told you to go in the pewter room.
Yeah.
No, the black monkey. Black
No.
monkey.
Dude, you guys want to
No.
No.
Guys, come here.
Buddy, come here. I'm not trying to steal blue.
What the heck? There's a child playing gorilla tag. Oh no.
Steal blue. Come here.
Oh jeez, it's another child
You want to do?
playing gorilla tag.
Just swim upward.
Hey, stop bullying the kid.
No, you have to face it this way.
Hi.
Go up there.
Hey, Lava Monkey.
Hey,
You're on YouTube. What do you
Hey.
want to say?
You okay?
And then just
You're on
Yeah.
YouTube.
There you go.
No
Hey.
one will listen to me.
I'll listen to
I'm
you.
good. I have purple. I
I'll
got
listen to
purple.
you.
Let's get
Hey, wait.
yellow.
Hey kid, hey kid, I'm recording right now.
Monkey thinks he's so good. Monkey thinks he's so good.
Well, you're definitely not a kid. Wait.
Yo, do you want to learn the new way of wall running?
Kid, I saw.
Guys, if you guys
I farted on you. How do you feel?
Backwards wall.
Simon, it's so funny.
Banana glasses out. I know how. Hey, you. What's nothing? Hey.
Hey guys, if you want to play Simon Says, but instead of Simon, it's Joe. So who want to play Joe Says?
I do.
Joe says
the code
Joe.
is 1, 2, 3, Joe.
I do.
Joe. It works so much better. The code is 1, 2, 3, Joe. You're not gonna do that. But instead of Simon, it's Joe. Yeah, see?
I'm with
there we go. What? Okay, then come to the computer
I'm
and
with
go
Simon
in.
Says.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah, stand right here, stand right here.
I've already had something glasses. Yo!
Hey guys, it's last chance for you guys to play it now. It's last chance for you guys to play it now.
No. Yellow. Follow me.
Alright, I'm following you. Guys, if you want to play Simon Says
And
instead
blue,
of Simon,
follow me.
it's Joe. So who want to play Simon Says?
Joe says.
He's just flailing his arms like crazy.
Watch
Simon
out,
Says.
watch out. It's
Go
okay,
to the
please.
computer for
I
Simon
am-
Says, but instead of Simon, it's Joe. So Joe Says.
Ew.
Go to the
Joe
computer.
Biden.
Okay, Joe Says.
Joe Biden.
People
Oh.
that
Shut up.
tell them to confuse have to.
About
Hey, Cat Monkey!
Oh,
You, yellow! Follow
no.
me.
what?
White and white
True
and
monkey.
white is...
Look at him. He flails his arms. He
Hey, yo,
goes,
who said that who cares about the person? Which person?
What?
Like, who's the person that
In
you're
case
saying
we
that?
need to hide, I might fly. Not you.
Yes, I do care about them.
I'm yellow. I'm yellow.
Play a better
Okay.
one. Bro, this kid is like 2 years old.
No, I'm 4.
What is going on?
I'm 4, guys. Chill out. Hey guys, I'm 4. Chill out.
Oh, guys, hey, get out of here. Get out of here.
What did you
Hey,
say?
whoa, that's a 4-year-old.
He's
doesn't know what's
4.
going on.
He's 4.
Kid. Watch this.
I'm punching a child. Oh. Freddy. Freddy.
Buddy, I'm really
Where's
sleepy
Freddy?
in the game.
I'm a little sleepy in the game.
Candy cane, Santa.
Oh, hell no.
Santa.
Hey, don't do that to me, though.
Hey,
I'll do that to him, but not me.
Are you gonna
Now
go
the
to sleep?
candy cane.
Here, come on.
He's
come
on
on,
Santa.
You don't see me.
Come out here. We gotta go to our house.
This is so
I can't.
What's gonna go on in that house?
Oh,
I
jeez.
can't
Look
see
at him
it.
when he runs. Look at him when he runs. Just
Wait,
watch.
who's here, Andrew?
Watch. Ready?
Oh, that's Nana.
He's not there. Okay. Monkey. This is how you get out. Here, monkey. Oh, okay. You got out like that. All right, come on, run.
Is it already happening? Hang on, guys.
He goes.
Hey, yo.
All right, run up to the treehouse. Let's go to the treehouse.
He goes.
Blue monkey. We gotta go to the treehouse.
Wait, go tag us.
Don't tag
Wait,
me,
did I
don't tag me,
tag?
don't
Wait, did I tag the kid? No, I didn't mean to tag him. I'm sorry. I didn't want to tag him.
Yellow.
What
Yellow.
Wow.
Yellow.
tag me,
That
don't
would
tag me.
be nice to me.
Don't tag me!
Yellow hat coming.
Yeah, I'm here. Come up to the house.
Somebody with yellow hat.
Hey, everyone out. Just besides me.
I'm not gonna tag you.
Go!
Yeah.
Good.
Come on, monkeys.
Are you guys
Monkeys.
gonna come up here? Hey, everyone get out. Everyone get
I'm
out.
not gonna tag you. I'm not gonna tag you. Come here. I'm not gonna tag you.
Yellow with yellow hat.
I'm not gonna tag you.
I'm yellow. I was
You kids want to get tagged? It's the wrong yellow. It's a fake.
Oh, you want to get tagged?
I'm the real one. You got this. Take it one step at a time.
I'm going back to the tree house.
I'm going back to my house. What the heck?
Hey, only them two in the get out.
No, no.
Get out. Now. Check it out.
Alright, he's not tagged anymore. He's not tagged anymore.
Yellow.
He's not tagged anymore. He's not tagged anymore.
Party hat can't get
I know.
Guys, let's go to the. Don't tag us, please. No, please. This is an innocent child. No, don't tag him. He's innocent.
Hello.
He's the innocent child.
Wait, Blue.
Want some of me?
Blue, do me a favor. Do me a favor, Blue. Run over there. No, just for a second.
He's not gonna tag you. He's not gonna tag you.
Blue. Yo, Blue.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Blue. Just run over there.
I'm not
Come
gonna
on.
tag
I'll go with you.
I know, he's
Come on, Blue Monkey. I'll go with you.
No,
I'll go with you.
God damn, I would fight.
how are you doing that?
Here, I'll run. I'll run with you. I'll run with you. No! Whoa! Why would you do that?
Yellow with yellow hat.
He's starting
Help me and getting stuck.
Gotcha.
Can I go tie the yellow monkey?
Yellow with yellow hat. Yellow with
No, he got tagged.
yellow hat.
He got tagged.
Yellow with yellow hat.
This is so
I'm
cute.
not gonna tag anybody.
Yellow hat.
This is so
I'm not gonna
cute.
tag anybody. Alright.
I know you are.
Look, no, he's a nice monkey. He lets me use his candy.
What?
I like to eat candy. I like to eat people's candy. I'm going to attack.
Hey.
Such a little.
Don't tag him, please. No, why would you tag him?
So bad at the game.
Why did you tag him? Why did you tag him?
Well, you made a child cry. I let you join the server. I didn't know.
Why did you tag him?
You're sorry.
I did. I'm sorry.
It's okay, monkey. Monkey, it's okay.
Join the server. I didn't know.
Why did you tag him? It's okay. Big monkey, it's okay. It's okay, big monkey.
You made a child cry.
Come here.
Please, you dum-dum.
Dum.
Punch him.
Why would you tag him?
Child cry then.
Just don't. He left. Okay,
He has to come here.
we took care of it, okay?
Group hug.
Hey, I'm gonna be right back, okay? I gotta go take care of something.
Group hug. Get in here.
Cocaine.
No, group hug. Yay. Group hug.
So close to each other.
Let's go high.
Hey, yo, what the hell?
Wait,
Hey, yo,
let's
what
go.
the hell?
We're following you. No, no.
Is that right?
Why did you tag him? No. Why would you tag him? Why did you tag him?
He's gonna get us.
I didn't.
Don't cuss, guys.
Yeah.
Whoever it is, don't
Yeah, don't cuss.
cuss.
Yeah, we don't.
Hey, you monkey. I'm glad
Yellow
you-
monkey, a monkey with a blue hat tagged him.
No, he's nice. He's nice. Good
He is?
monkey.
Yes.
Yeah, he wasn't the one who killed you.
Hey, watch out.
Let's fight.
He's a bad monkey. He's a bad monkey.
Oh,
Punch him.
Good monkey.
I'm kidding. I'm
Oh,
kidding. Come
okay,
back, come
okay,
back, come back.
okay. I'm back. No.
Dang, come
Oh,
back.
he's not kidding. He's not kidding.
You good monkey.
Yeah, he's a good monkey.
Hey, monkey, you wanna watch me? Hey, baby monkey, you wanna watch?
Wait,
Wait, hey, baby monkey, you wanna watch me?
let's go in
Funny
treehouse.
run.
Guys, let's go in treehouse.
Let's go in treehouse.
Yeah, let's go in the tree house.
Hold on, wait.
I try all these things. What's going on? I'm just gonna watch.
Be quiet. Hey.
No.
Okay.
You're just gonna watch? Don't tag me. Don't tag me. Don't tag me.
Yo,
No, I fell. I'm falling. Help me.
Don't tag me. Hello, why?
Oh, I didn't even see it.
Dang.
No.
He's a boss.
Shoot.
Hey, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
No. No, don't tag. Why would you tag him? Stop. Hey, come here. Let's go get him. Come here. Why would you tag him? I'm angered. What? I'm angry. Wait, where?
Hey.
Where's you?
He says,
Where's the white monkey? Where is he?
because they were gonna kill me.
Hi, where's white? What the? Where's white?
He landed.
I need to tag white.
Alright, now do this.
Hi guys.
You gotta do it now.
Come on,
You got it.
come on. Look, you can do this. Come on, come on, baby monkey. Here, I'll catch you. I'll catch you.
Uh-oh. Let's go the opposite way.
I got you.
Oh.
Yeah,
He did it.
you got it. No, no,
Close. Wait,
you can do it.
monkey.
Let's try it again.
Watch
Hey.
me. You, party hat. You,
Oh, yeah, let's go on the fly. Let's go on the fly.
No, I made this joke. I made this kind of funny.
You.
I just came up
What's
with
that
it.
monkey? You're
I
not
thought
supposed to go
Oreo didn't cry.
Yeah.
anymore. I thought they
Let's go down. Yay.
tantrums and whines. Hold on. I gotta say this.
Hey, monkey, you wanna say bye to the?
Tantrums and whines.
Hey,
I don't
hey,
get
baby monkey, baby monkey.
Like they cry.
Hey,
about
baby
something.
monkey.
Like they don't really cry. They just like
Yeah, I get it.
can't cry.
Hey, baby monkey,
fake
baby
cry
monkey.
to get
Listen.
along.
Why?
Baby monkey. Baby monkey. Hey, can you tell the viewers bye? I'm recording right now.
Tall monkey and then troll him.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hey, baby monkey, you wanna tell them goodbye?
Should I become a tall monkey and troll
Wait,
him?
okay.
Okay.
I was down my circle.
Hey, baby monkey, baby. No, what the heck? She died. No.
Actually make my arms long. You ready?
No, bitch, no. Shut the fuck up, loser.
No, he's leaving. He's leaving.
Long arms.
Hey, you. Do you want to? Hey, yellow monkey. I'm recording right now. Do you want to tell the viewers bye? I was gonna ask him to do it, but like he's.
Okay,
Oh really?
to see me go fly.
Okay, tell the viewers goodbye.
You wanna see me fly?
Bye, viewers.
Okay, come here.
Yeah. Okay. We're in a video right now.
He's back.
He's back. He's back.